I'll show you how I make fishless sushi. You'll find this special sushi paper in stores, even like Walmart in the ethnic food section. This was a package. I think it was about $3.50. It's about 10 of them inside the package. It does help a lot to have a bamboo placemat for the rolling of the sushi roll. You can buy sushi rice or you can use just regular rice, and there's a few things you do to it to make it taste delicious. I use regular rice instead of sushi rice and use the same ingredients that you use to make it into sushi tasting rice. It's a kind of a sweet sour with rice vinegar and sugar. After you've made the sushi rice, you just spread it across in a thin layer, leaving one edge open here and one edge open here. Instead of using fish or crab meat, we just use carrot slices. And this is the part where a bamboo placemat is really helpful. You're gonna fold the end of the sushi paper up over whatever vegetables you have. Just get it started and then back it. Hold it tightly and back it with the bamboo. Fold the bamboo over and roll along. It'll keep the paper nice and tight. Then as you get to the end, this last edge gets sealed with just a little water. Get it plenty wet. The seaweed paper seals to itself as you roll it tightly together. We'll seal that edge, pull tightly, keep it tight and just keep rolling, and it's glued together. Use a nice sharp knife and cut off this edge where there's not much filling. You can just trim that off. The chef gets to eat that part. Slice through about every inch or so. As you do, the knife will start to get sticky from the sushi rice. And to keep your cuts clean, just have a nice wet dish rag here and wipe it from time to time. And you're gonna slice through like that. And there's the other end. It doesn't look pretty, but it sure tastes good. Here's the other scraps I'll be nibbling on later, but the pretty pieces go on this tray, and it's very festive and fun and different. It didn't take very long, and it looks fun.